Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Today I thought about making linguine and clams. These are very good, delicious, and these are my favorite dish to eat whenever I go out, especially when it's hot day. And today it's a hot day and I cannot go out and enjoy because there's no restaurants are open. Our lockdown is extended until by the end of this month. So bear with me, stick with me. We're gonna make linguine and clams right now.
Linguine with clams is one of those dishes that sounds elegant, or at least like the type of thing you'd order at the Italian restaurant instead of making at home, but it's actually one of the easiest, most affordable pasta dishes you can make. In a large pot over high heat, bring 4 quarts of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. Also, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then, add the linguine and cook according to the package directions. The pasta should still be firm to the bite since it will cook another minute or 2 in the sauce. Moving on, let's prepare 1 bulb of garlic. Slice thinly. Also, let's prepare 1/2 stalk of lemongrass. In addition, we're gonna need 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of dried crushed red chili pepper, and also 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. Meanwhile, in a very large sauté pan over medium-high heat, add olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, then add the garlic, next the lemongrass. Sauté until just brown. Then add the cherry tomatoes. Next, the Manila clams. Bring it to simmer and cook. Moving on, add the 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. Bring to a simmer and cook until the clams open. This is my favorite part, watching those clams are opening. So cool. Add freshly ground black pepper and a salt to taste. Next, the crushed red chili flakes. Add the linguine, tossing occasionally until the pasta absorbs most of the sauce and is just tender. 1 to 2 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare 1 cup of parsley, finely chopped, and add it to the linguine with clams. Smells so good. Simmer for another 2 minutes. Undeniably one of the best pasta dishes. Easy, quick, and flavorful. One word to describe: excellent. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.